Today we'll talk about how can you delete profile on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to delete your profile, you just go down, you click here on more down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on profile and security, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on delete profile, just click on it. Then you just click here on yes, send request. Then it's going to delete your profile on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.